Hi you, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So recently I went to a Jaipur trip and very randomly I decided to vlog it, and this is the reason why you are going to see the vlog of day 2 and 3. So yeah, this is day 2 and we are heading to a restaurant for our brunch. This is my friend Maria and we went to Dana Pani restaurant for our brunch, and it's a beautiful restaurant by the way. And by now you know that it is a voiceover vlog because yeah, don't expect the flying beast level of vlog out of me. Now this is the view outside of the restaurant by the way. This is the city. Looks pretty normal from here, but trust me, it is a beautiful city. And talking about Dana Pani restaurant, it is a beautiful restaurant by the way. Just look at it, how pretty. And this is just me experimenting with the camera angles. Oh, look at the makeup by the way. So after that our food arrived. The food was amazing of this restaurant by the way. We ordered a North Indian thali. This is Maria. She is a food blogger, which explains why in this vlog you are only going to see us, because we are the only person who are comfortable with the camera. So this is the food and this is me enjoying the delicious food served by them. Oh my god, dekhte muh mein pani aa gaya. Anyways, let's move on. So after we had our brunch, we headed straight to Amer Fort, and there were these kids that were selling popcorns and puggies, and yeah, the vibe entirely changed. And look at that cute kid. So yeah, by the way, we were only 2 kilometers away from Amer Fort, and someone suggested us that we should go to Amer Fort in the morning, but we didn't listen to him. And so yeah, as you can see, we were stuck in the traffic for a lot of time, and we were only 2 kilometers away by the way. Listen to Maria complaining about the situation. So finally we reached Amer Fort. Just listen to this music first. And as I said earlier, the entire vibe just changed when we reached near the fort, and there were these talented people showing their talents. There were these people selling ornaments and some showpieces so that we can take something to our homes. And then we headed into the fort. We are inside the fort right now by the way, and just look at the view. Beautiful and so royal. And yes, it was a lot crowded, and maybe it was because the day was 31st December, or maybe it is generally this crowded. We just didn't know about that. And yeah, we wore masks all the time. The mask was removed only when I was in the vlog. While I was recording it behind the camera, I wore the mask, so don't worry, and just enjoy the beauty of this fort. Just look at the detailings, so beautiful. By the way, this is the view, outside view from the fort, and my favorite one is this one. This is called the Queen's View. Just look at this. Still stuck at this view and so in love with this. So after that we went to see where the Raja used to take his bath, and these are some guides explaining how he used to take bath. अब पूरा प्रोसेस तो जो आप यहाँ आओगे तभी पता चलेगा. Anyways, after this we headed towards the way to a beautiful place, which is this, a beautiful garden and the most famous and the most beautiful space of the fort, the Sheesh Mahal. हाँ वही जहाँ दीवानी मस्तानी हो गई थी. This was made by embedding tiny mirrors into the wall. So after visiting the Sheesh Mahal, we headed towards the terrace area of the fort. And while the entire time I was at the fort, I was just thinking about the people that used to live here, who enjoyed this royal living. And at those times, I just could not stop imagining how they used to live here and the royal experience they must have had here. So this in front of you is the servants' space, which was visible from the terrace, and in a while we will be visiting this. You see those tiny kadais? Those are not actually tiny. You'll see it in a while. Before that, just look at this view from this cafe coffee day area. So this is a coffee space made inside of the fort now for the tourists. So yeah, it was really beautiful and you can enjoy your coffee here, and very shamelessly we just recorded it and did not buy anything from here because we were in a hurry. So now we are at the space which earlier used to be the servants' space, where food was used to be prepared and servants used to live. And you can see these huge kadais here in which the food used to be prepared. And then there were these art galleries where you could purchase some antique things. And then we just headed outside of the fort, and then I decided to shop something from the fort. So there was this man selling these cute showpieces.
भैया 250 का लगा लो, वो मीडियम वाला जो वायलेंट बता दो। चलो आपका नहीं 250 250 मैक्सिमम है, नहीं 250 का ही है भैया वो।
So he told me the showpiece is for 400 and I bargained for 250, and then he gave it to me for 250. So just so you know, you are supposed to bargain from here. So yeah, after that we just ate some street food and then just went ahead to a cafe. It is the Stack Cafe. It have a beautiful ambience, by the way, just look at it. Now here is the best part about this cafe, and that is that its terrace have a view of the fort from it, and at night it just looks mesmerizing. You'll see it in a while. And as far as the food of the cafe is concerned, I would not recommend it to anybody. Yes, but if you want to visit it, you can have some drinks and then you're good to go. This that you see right here is the night view of the cafe and at the fort. Just look at the fort. Oh my god. So on our way home, we decided to stop at this street market in front of the Jal Mahal Lake view, and we decided to shop some things. So we bought quite a few items from here. So the first thing that I bought from here was this beautiful pair of juttis. It was only for 100 rupees. After that we bought quite a few items as well, which I didn't vlog obviously. And then we enjoyed the view of the Jal Mahal. And after that we headed to our hotel. And let me just show you what I bought from here. So this is a beautiful jewelry box that my friend bought for her mother. As you can see, it have a small space to keep your jewelry, and it is really shimmery and shiny and so beautiful. And then this is a mini hookah. It does not work, by the way, and my friend bought it for his house as a showpiece, which is quite cute, I guess. And then this is what we hang at the doors. I bought it for my house, and then after purchasing all of these, we headed straight to our hotel because we were so damn tired, and our entire day was invested into visiting the Amer fort itself. And I guess it is true that you should visit the Amer fort in the morning so that you can cover other forts as well. Fast forward to day 3. On day 3, we went to City Palace and Chokhi Dhani. And I did not vlog that much on day 3, so you are just going to see small clips from day 3. So right now we are heading towards the city palace, and this is the beautiful Ajmeri gate of the Jaipur. And after this gate, the pink city starts basically. So everything here is pink. This is the pink city that you are seeing right now. Fast forward to city palace now. So we are currently inside the city palace, and the entry ticket was of 200 rupees per person. And this is inside the city palace. This is the main city palace, the pink color one that you see. And it was so beautiful and so different from what we saw in Amer fort. These are just some small clips from the palace. It's so beautiful, right? You can also enjoy puppet dances inside the palace. So here are some clips for you guys to watch and enjoy.
जो भी आप लोगों की श्रद्धा है वो आप लोग दे सकते हो। कैसा लगा आपको?
बहुत beautiful.
And after that, we explored the palace a little more, clicked some pictures and videos, and then we were in a hurry, so we left the palace. And by the way, this is the buggy that you can take up to take the tour of the city palace, and its ticket charges are different. So yeah, after that we just left for Chokhi Dhani. And just so you know, I did not vlog that much in Chokhi Dhani because I knew that this is going to be a place where I will enjoy a lot, and I was right. So the entry ticket for Chokhi Dhani was of 1000 rupees, which included all the performances, the entry and the buffet. So at the end of the day, we enjoyed this wholesome meal, which was so delicious, by the way. Now I'm just showing you things that I bought from Jaipur, so that next time you go there, you have an idea what all things you can get there. First in the list, I have items which I bought from Chokhi Dhani. So it's a tote bag, white tote bag, very beautiful as you can see, and it have 2 zips inside of it, and it is very spacious. Next I have is this bag. It will go with all my suits and stuff because I mostly wear pink. It have this beautiful detailing and work on its handle, and both the bags were of 320 rupees each. Next in the list, I have items from Amer fort. So it's a pen set of 10, so it's for 150 rupees for 10 pens, which is I think a great gifting option. Then we bought this pagdi, which is of 50 rupees. Next I have is this cute showpiece, which was for 250 rupees after bargaining, as you can see in the vlog also. Now last but not the least, I have items from Amer street market. First are these pair of earrings. I bought total 2 pair of earrings, and they were 200 rupees each. Next are these beautiful Leheria chunnis. So I bought them in 2 colors, and the pattern of both of them is same. So it have a broad border and then this latkan into it, and the price was 200 rupees each. Last is this long skirt that I bought, and it was 250 rupees only. And that is it for the vlog, you guys. Thank you so much for watching it. I hope you really enjoyed it and it was informative. And if you appreciate my efforts, please like the video, subscribe to my channel below, and comment down your feedbacks. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.